Good day. So, as you can see, wala nang biyahe-biyahe na dito agad sa may Great Falls. Sabi sa inyo, babalik kami dito eh. And right now, okay naman yung room na kuha namin. May balcony pa rin yung na-book. So later makikita nyo sa video kung ano yung itsura ng room. And hindi talaga to yung magiging katulad ng dati na video. Papakita lang namin kung ano yung update, kung anong bago, kung anong luma or the same. So yun, let's go in. We're back dito sa Great Wolf. Currently, we're in room 3013. So, a different type of room, pero may balcony pa rin. Quick room tour lang ito. Same lang yung room layout. Medyo naiba lang dun sa may balcony. So, same na hanger station. Yung bathroom. So, yeah. Tapos ito yung sa wire para mag-hang ng wet clothes. Yan, maraming towels.
Towels.
Yeah, and say hi. Hi, bud. Yeah, you're not quite seen on the video. Say mirror na may paw print and yung bed. So, yung bed nila is same do sa may last room na pinagstayan namin, which is like 4th floor or 5th or higher. Nakalimutan ko na kung saan. So, meron pa rin nung complimentary na kape, TV, yung fridge na maliit. Nag-iba rin yung wristband. So, yun, same exact specs. Yan, si Mami J, ano lang muna, pahinga-pahinga yung gamit namin. Dining. Eto, dito na naiba ng onte. Kasi a bit smaller yung balcony. Pero mas maganda itsura ng balcony nila dito. Ayan. Ayan. Ito yung itsura nung labas nung room namin sa balcony. Nasa 3rd floor kami again. Tapos yun yung parking space. And ayan, nakaharang tong puno. Hindi na natin kita yung howling tornado. But that's okay. Ang swimming naman yung pupunta na. Go inside na. We're going inside. May 2 chairs and a table. If you wanna eat outside. Okay. And yeah, that concludes the quick room tour. Kasi same lang naman ang spec. Ang nagkaiba lang is ito. Yung balcony. Isa nga palang nakalimutan namin dati na sabihin. Lahat ng room or yung rooms na pinagstayan namin dito, lahat sila may sleeper na sofa. Ayan, ang kulit na naman ni Little J. Sampa ng sampa. Ayan na. So, equivalent sa 2 bed ang meron dito.
A few inches later.
Ito, we're heading out. Mag-swimming na muna kami ulit. Mamaya na lang. Sobrang daming tao ngayon so hindi ko rin talaga masyadong na mag-video dito. Okay, later ulit. Ito, nandito na kami sa my 2nd floor kung saan yung pa-entrance ng swimming area. At pumasok si Little J sa may arcade. We're going to swim, bud. Stay, wait for mommy. Ah, okay. Yeah. Ito yung gift shop. Okay. Pasok na muna kami. Go play, go play. Whoa! Ito na, shower. Go, go, go. Go play. Jace, say hi. Say hi, hi. Hi. You okay? Okay, swim, swim, swim. Oh, go play, go play. Happy? Happy? Hi! Oh, go up again. Go, go, go! Go, go, go! Go, go, go! Woo! Ah! Oh, stand up, buddy! Go, go, go! Very good, very good! Oh, go to mommy! Oh, go to mommy! Go, go, go! Yeah, go to mommy! Go, go, go! Go, go, go! Oh, get out of the way, bilis. Someone's going to be next. Go. Oh, stand up. Let's go. Okay, Alberta Falls muna tayo, guys. Try ulit natin. Maraming tao ngayon kasi summer na eh. So, karamihan talaga ng pamilya nandito. Tapos parang meron silang summer camp. So, ayun. Sige na lang. Dito muna tayo sa kaliwa. May pila. Mamaya na ulit pag nandun na sa slide. Woohoo! Woo! Yeah! Woo! Whoa! Yeah! Spin, spin, spin! Go! Oh, step, oh, step, step! Oh, step! Oh, go, go, go! Play, play, play! Oh, step! Ah! Ah! You okay? You okay, bud? Oh, dito, please, please. Hi, say hi. Ayun, walang masyadong pinagbago except tinanggal na nila yung mga payong dun sa taas. Wala na kasabit na payong. Okay naman din. Yung kanina, sa check-in process na ginawa namin, dito kami nag-check-in. Kasi sobrang dami ng tao ngayon. So, ito na kami dito. Tapos, in-assist na lang kami kahit paano kasi medyo nakakalito yung system nila. Pero okay lang naman, may mag-a-assist naman sa inyo if ever. na mag-check-in kayo na sobrang daming naka-book o tao dito. Pero yung front desk nila is still open. Ano, yung chandelier na puro antlers. Ayan. Basta walang, ito meron silang event ngayon. Hindi ko alam kung ano eh. Baka dance of something. Basta ang daming tao ngayon dito sa may babang lobby. Pero hindi ko na bibidyoan yun. Ito, same. Ang papakita ko na lang actually is yung gift shop sa taas. Ewan ko lang kung bukas pa. Kasi anong oras na ngayon eh. So, we're on the second floor na gift shop. As you can see. Ito yung isa pang gift shop within Great Wall. And they do have a lot of stuff. Mga costumes, mga magic wand para sa Magic Quest. Ayan. Dami, tas may naka-display pa silang ganito na ano, mga wands. Maraming ano, nagma-Magic Quest dito. Ito may wooden swords pa sila. Light wood yung ginamit. Parang plywood ang dating. Ayun. Mabilis ang pakita lang ng gift shop dito sa taas. Ano ba yan pa sila? Golden medal. Okay. Isa siyang higanting chocolate coin. Ayun. See? Dami din lang. Tapos yung mga jackets and long sleeves. Okay naman. Ba't ibang klase ng mga magic wands or magic wands. And that's the second floor gift shop or Magic Quest shop. Ayun, yung activity sa baba is summer camping or summer campfire. Ewan ko, hindi ko mabasa eh. Basta, may dance off sila ngayon dun.
The next day.
Good morning. So, it's the next day. Breakfast time. Nagpa-reserve kami dun sa may breakfast buffet ulit nila. So, let's go down and eat. We're going to see what's up sa breakfast. If they changed any or may bago. Ayan sila. Say good morning.
Good morning.
Okay. We're going down. Yep. Hi, wave. Say hi. Bye. Say hi. Hi, bud.
Hi.
4. 7. Count. 9. 10. So again, we're in the breakfast buffet. So quick review lang ulit din sa may mga items or food na makakain dito. So they do have the soda fountain, juices, meron din silang mga cereals. Aside from that, meron din silang pang sprinkles and whatnot. Jams, waffle. And the staff told us that this is the newly added item on their list for the waffle maker because it has their logo. So if ever na you're going to eat dito, yep, this is an option for you to get, guys. Tapos meron sila nung regular waffle maker. Yeah, syempre, hindi mawawala. Coffee. And some bread. Meron din silang mga smoothies, yogurt, milk, and chocolate milk. Ito, Asahi bowl ba ito? And mga fruits, cinnamon bun, croissants, apple tart, bacon, sausage, burger, sausage, scrambled egg, taters, and grits, and your gravy yata, hindi yata grits, and your biscuit. They do also have French toast, some pancakes, tater tots, mac and cheese, nuggets, and some bread. And they have a slab here, prime belly, mango chutney, and this is, okay, yep, oatmeal. And it's going to be the same on this side. They do have omelette, and that's the food that you can get here in the buffet.
A few inches later.
So ito yung spread ko ngayon for the breakfast. Medyo na parami pero mahaba-haba yung araw. May pupuntahan pa kami after this. So yep, got the omelette, pork belly roast, French toast, bacon, sausage burger, and the newly added waffle forms. Ayan. With whipped cream and chocolate syrup. And syempre, hindi mawala coffee pagpagising sa umaga. So these are some of the food that you can get in Timber's Table Kitchen. So later na ulit, kain na muna kami dito.
Negative energy, I expect it. Once it's in your mind, it's infectious. So fight for your life and reject it. You better give me space, I'm protective. My adrenaline spikes when I'm threatened. And if you stay in my way, I'm aggressive. Cause when there's no exit, I'll kill when I'm desperate.
One eternity later.
So we're done with breakfast. Nandito na ulit kami sa my room. Say hi again, bud. You happy? Yeah. What did you eat? A banana. Did you eat strawberries as well? Yeah. Was it good? What? What do you see downstairs? And yeah, breakfast was good sa Timber's Table Kitchen. It's up to you if you're going to eat there for breakfast. You do have your options. And ano lang kami dito, parang pababa muna ng kinain bago kami lumarga. We're off to Oregon. Again, we're going to visit one place there. And that's going to be for another video. Di pa dito yung end ng video. Bababa muna kami. And we're heading out. Okay. May yoga pala sila ngayon dito. Yoga. But we're done na. Ayun sila Mami Jay at Mami Jay. So they're going to wait for me here kasi kukunin ko na muna yung kotse. Saan ka ba muna mag-ano? Okay. Yun yan, as I was saying earlier, I'm going to get the car first. Tapos dito na mag-abang sila Mami J sa may front. Kasi nasa likod ulit yung parking namin. So, yeah, dito ko na yata talaga tatapusin yung vlog. Till the next one. Peace!
Got a ticket to nowhere. Come and fly away with me tonight. Can you stay till the morning? Can you tell me that everything's alright? Lose my mind and I'm falling for you. I get up, I'm in need of us too. Got a ticket to nowhere. When the fighting is over, it goes on and on and on and on. On and on and on. It goes on and on and on and on.
Say hi.
I just need you to show me anything.